Hello everyone, I'm Living Dead Girl. Welcome back to World of Warships. We are doing naval clan battles. We have to get 250 base XP. I do not know any of the math required to get base XP. I know it is very hard in co-op to get even 250 base XP. So we're going to go out and we're going to hunt up a submarine at first and see if we can't take care of that, and then we'll see what else we can do. But base XP is the base ship XP that you get for accomplishing goals and tasks. I don't know any of the math involved. I know that there's quite a bit of it, and there are better players than me out there who will be able, more than happy to inundate you with the minutia of that type of information. I could give a damn. I just go out and try to get my 250 and move on to the next goal. So we're also doing basically capture the flag. We're going to capture area A real quick, go right past Mr. Grumpy Lion there. Hello, Mr. Grumpy Lion. Looks like you're playing with that submarine. We're going to go kill your counterpart. And I did not hit engine boost. Let's see. We need engine boost. No, we don't, but there's our submarine target. Hello. Now, he's going to make our day really, really hard. But we're going to make his day really, really hard too. And we're going to do that by dropping death charges on him. Let's go. Excuse me. Needless to say, we did not get our 250 points, and we're going to go on to the next battle.